Hey guys, I'm just working on some of our metal work tonight. In the past we used to do all the sanding by hand, which is pretty labor intensive, but since we both went full time, Amy and I hooked ourselves up with one of these wolf sanders. It's a wolf belt sander, and that's driven by our Fordham Flexshaft, and this really helps us in doing way more pieces. Like we have to do like 2 or 3, 4 times more pieces than we used to do, and so this really took a lot of the handiwork out of that, the sanding part of it. It's still just one of about 35 to 45 steps that we're doing for every piece anyways, but this is a really nice little touch, and I really enjoy this. So this selection I've been working on for a couple weeks now, some of it even longer. It took me better part of a week just to get all these pieces cut out. There's just so much work involved. There's hundreds of pieces and all kinds of different types of designs, but really the process is the same. And tonight I'm just going to be taking the edge off a few of them and giving you an idea of what that looks like. The edges on this one are pretty clean now. Sometimes I have to stop kind of midway as the metal really heats up. This thing gets going, and especially with the copper, but the brass as well, it gets very hot. And sometimes I'll lose the piece. It'll kind of get caught on the belt and flick it off. But either way, you know, this one's looking pretty good so far, and we've kind of ground down the edges on it. And then I'm going to do some of these circular ones next, and they had just a little bit left on them from the punch, just a bit of a lip here, so we don't want that on there. It could be a little bit sharp, and so for the finished product, of course, we want to have that nice and smooth. So I'm going to get in there and take that off. These ones are a lot quicker to do. This one's nice now, and the edge, the lip is removed off of there, and any remaining lip will get removed when I'm doing the hand sanding further on down the line. Like this just takes one bit of the sanding for me, but there's still several more sanding steps left before the pieces are actually completed. So thanks for watching, and over the next little while, Amy and I are both going to be showing you some more behind the scenes processes and shots of what we're doing on a daily basis, and we're going to try and really get in on a lot of these different steps, because as I was saying, there's 35 to 45 steps for just like one earring or cuff length, those type of things. So there's all kinds of different things that are pretty exciting and interesting to show you, and we have all kinds of different types of tools that we can kind of give you a look at as well. And so we're really looking forward to that. We hope that you enjoyed this video and that you'll follow us along for the ride. If you'd like, you can subscribe to our channel here, and we will have new content coming out in the next few weeks here.